This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this short video, we'll use a variety of the most popular tools to install the Dot Snap Fasteners stainless steel cloth-to-cloth snaps. What does cloth-to-cloth mean? Well, it means the fastener is used in two separate fabric assemblies to secure them together. The snaps we will demonstrate in this video are available at Sailrite as a complete set. Here are the most popular tools that Sailrite recommends for installing stainless steel cloth-to-cloth snaps. We'll start by installing the button in the socket with the famous press and snap tool. The button is securely held in place with a rubber disc on the tool, and the socket is pressed onto the die. These parts do not fall off. Now all you need to do is position the tool over the location where you want the stainless steel snap installed and to press the lever. There's no need to punch a hole with the press and snap installation tool. The stainless steel snap, the button, and the socket are now installed. To check for proper installation, make sure the socket will not twist easily. Next, we'll use the press and snap tool to install the snap eyelet and the snap stud. The eyelet is held in place with the rubber disc. The stud snaps into the die of the press and snap tool and is firmly held into place until installation is achieved. Utilizing the press and snap tool, there's no need to punch a hole in the fabric first. It punches the hole and sets the snaps, all just by simply depressing the lever. Now the eyelet and the stud, which is stainless steel, is set in the 4 layers of Sunbrella marine grade fabric. And we can snap it to the button and the socket that we installed previously. Up next, we'll demonstrate the Sailrite Snap Fastener Deluxe installation tool. To use that tool, a hole must be punched in your fabric assembly prior to installing the snaps. We'll place our fabric assembly on the Sailrite cutting block and die holder. The Sailrite drill hole cutter 1/8 inch has been placed in a drill. It easily punches holes in fabric assemblies like this. Another alternative to cutting the hole is the hole cutter 1/8 inch. It is placed on top of the fabric assembly where the snap is to be installed, and then a mallet is used to punch a hole through the fabric assembly. Those are the two most popular tools for punching holes in fabric assemblies for the snap installation. Now we'll use Sailrite's Snap Fastener Deluxe installation tool to set the snap. The stainless steel button is placed on the concave side of the anvil. The barrel is pushed through the hole that we made earlier, and then the socket is placed on top of the fabric assembly with the barrel protruding through the hole. Setting the tool on top of the barrel in the middle of the socket and giving it a few blows with a mallet will roll the end of the barrel over, setting the snap beautifully. If the socket does not roll, then you've set it appropriately. If it does, set it back in the anvil and give it a few more blows. On the opposite side of the anvil, there's a flat side. This side is for the eyelet. The eyelet rests beautifully on this side of the anvil. We'll push our fabric assembly over the barrel of the eyelet through the hole that we made previously. Then, on top of that fabric assembly, we'll place the stainless steel snap stud. Using the tool, we will place it on top of the barrel portion and give it a few blows with the mallet. This again rolls the end of the barrel over beautifully, setting the snap. Sailrite does carry an installation tool for snaps that's less expensive than this Deluxe Snap Fastener installation tool, but those tools are not robust enough to install stainless steel snaps. The Dot Snap Fastener stainless steel cloth-to-cloth snap sets and the tools that we showed in this video are all available at Sailrite. If you have questions, give us a call. Thanks for watching.